Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store pending download or waiting for download problem. These are the most effective solutions that worked for many users on Reddit. This is the most upvoted fix on Reddit. It works for most people. Go to settings, to apps, select see all apps, find Google Play Store, tap on it and select storage and cache option. Tap on clear cache option and select tap on clear storage option and select delete option. Go back to the same steps for Google Play services. Tap on it, tap on storage and cache. Select tap on cache, clear storage. Select total storage, clear all data and select confirm. Tap on clear storage option. After doing that, just close and reopen the Play Store and this worked for lots of people guys. So if that didn't work, go to settings and go to Google and select the Google account. Select manage account on this device option. Tap on the account you logged in Play Store and select remove account option and select remove account. And then now you need to restart your phone. After restarting, add the account again just by going to settings, select Google and select this right arrow and select add another account and add this account. After adding the account, go back to Play Store and now try downloading the apps you want. Many Reddit users say this instantly fixed the issue. If that didn't work, if you are using a VPN or a custom private DNS, turn it off. These can block Play Store downloads. To do this, go to settings and search DNS, select private DNS, select DNS option. And if you have any DNS in here, just off it and select OK option. And if you have any VPN apps, just go and turn it off. Now try again in Play Store, and this worked for most people on Reddit. If that didn't work, open the Play Store and tap on Profile and go to Settings. Select Network Preferences. Choose App Download Preference and select over any network option and select OK. This prevents Play Store from forcing Wi-Fi only downloads. If that didn't work, go back and select the profile and manage apps and devices and select updates available. And if in our case it is all updating, then select the cancel all option. And sometimes the queue gets stuck. After canceling everything, try downloading the app you want. If that didn't work, select the profile icon and go to settings, expand the network preferences and auto update the app. Select it and set this to turn off auto updates so the Play Store doesn't try to update tons of apps in background. If that didn't work, try switching your network Wi-Fi to internet and check if the problem solved or not. A simple network switch fixes the issue for many people. If that didn't work, this sounds simple, but a simple restart has solved the problem for many Reddit users. If nothing works, the final method fixes almost every case. All you have to do is go to settings and go to apps, select see all apps and find the Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, click on the three dot on the top and select uninstall updates and select OK option. And now just close off here and restart to your phone. The Play Store will automatically updates again and should work normally. Try these fixes one by one because they works for thousands of people on Reddit. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.